What are some of the other plants and animals that you find on the Oregon coast, in the intertidal zone specifically, or just in general?
Our shores are super, super rocky. It's a lot of basalt, so a lot of volcanic activity that has kind of shaped our whole coastline. And it creates these spaces that allow a lot of animals to recruit and find homes in, right? And because we have pretty large tide swings on the Oregon coast, so it is about a 10-foot tide change from the highest and the lowest tides. We have 2 high and 2 low tides every day. It's a huge amount of space that makes up our intertidal. So the word intertidal just meaning the area between the highest and the lowest tides. We don't have the most, crystal clear tropical waters. That's because our waters are full of nutrients and they're full of life that's fueling everything else on our shores. So the Oregon intertidal ecosystems are incredibly diverse and incredibly abundant, both with animals and with algae. So the Pacific Northwest is home to more kelp diversity than anywhere else on Earth, which is pretty cool. Kelps really need cold waters and nutrient-rich waters, which are 2 things that we have. And there's a ton of animal life. So, the sea stars are the big ones that everybody talks about because they're colorful and they're big and they're easy to find. But we have a lot of sea anemones and tiny little nudibranchs and sea slugs and snails. And it's like overwhelming how much stuff we have on our rocky shores. And then most of our coastline has been made up of bull kelp forests. And those are a little bit more subtidal, so not in the space between the tides. But the bull kelp forests are another very important part of our ecosystems.